Introducing one of the nastiest little darlings out there in the bug world. Down here in Florida, I don't know if you'll be able to see him very clearly, but that's what he looks like. Now let's look at his brothers and sisters on these palms. I'm going to try and get a better close look. You don't want to get too close to these little darlings because they are really downright nasty. There he is. You can see, you can make out the little design. So let me see if I can zoom in. Wow. There he is. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit here. I'll show you what type of damage he does to the palm, let alone what he does to your skin when you walk by him. Now, if you notice, let me try this without getting too thick. You'll see he's already eaten quite a bit of the palm stalk or pine leaf off. Palm leaf. Wake up, Marty. And there he is, and his other little cousin is over here somewhere, if he didn't fall off. Try to be careful with them because they are very nasty. You can tell when you hit one because when you walk by him, you'll feel the stinging, tingling sensation in your hand. And his little brother or sister must be over here. Let me see if I can find where they're hiding. You just look for the leaf that's got the most missing. Well, this little guy got away. I'll have to watch out for him. Oh no, here he is. There we go. And there he is right there. You see? He's enjoying a little rest. I can't tell his back. No, that's got to be his backside. Now take a look at those little furs on him. That's the part that's the dangerous part. Every little piece of fur, when you walk by, you'll think it's nothing, but when it touches you, you'll definitely know. You'll feel the sting. Just be careful out there this summer.